Namaskar viewers. Today we'll talk about how we all contribute to national wastage. To err is human, it is said. We all make mistakes in our everyday lives, knowingly or unknowingly. For instance, we waste things like water, electricity, food, and most importantly, time, not realizing that it contributes to national wastage. Let's take up electricity first, which is simply wasted not only in every house but on the streets, parks, commercial establishments, just everywhere. A major portion of electricity is wasted due to negligence. So, in order to save energy, one must use energy efficient appliances, smart power cables, and also turn off lights and appliances when not in use. By taking these simple steps, we will not only save on our utility bills but also contribute to national savings. Using the right lights or replacing the light bulbs to LED bulbs and unplugging the idle electronics will save electricity. Similarly, the authorities concerned should ensure that the lights, fans, air conditioners, heaters, and other appliances are switched off everywhere when they are not needed. Second is water. The gravity of the situation can be gauged by the 24th October 2020 directive by the Government of India, which says that misuse of potable water will be an offence in India with violations punishable up to 5 years of imprisonment or rupees 1 lakh fine. India is facing a drinking water crisis. One of the most common ways in which people waste water is by leaving the water running when brushing their teeth, shaving, washing their hands, or dishes. We all have played a role in wasting water. We also waste it while washing our cars, taking long showers, or by not repairing leaky tanks and toilets, etc. Every drop of water is precious. There are countries where water is very scarce. If we all do our bit in conserving water and energy, we will in our own way contribute to nation building. There are countries which conserve rainwater and use it for various purposes. Not only electricity and water, we also waste food. Wastage of food is visible across marriages, canteens, hotels, and public functions. We are going to save our own money if we cook only what we need and store food instead of wasting it. Food is scarce on this earth. We must try and grow our own herbs and have our own kitchen gardens. There is a large population in our country which goes without 3 meals a day. No effort is required in saving food. A person who gets 3 meals a day should be grateful to the Almighty. Every grain should be saved. Now, let's talk about how we all waste our time. A waste of time means bad use of time or time spent doing useless or unnecessary things or not doing anything at all. Time is very precious. We can earn the money we spend, but we can't get back the time we have wasted. So, time is more precious than money. We all have the same amount of time in the day. How you spend it is your choice. We spend too much time scrolling through our social media feeds or watching television. While at work, during office hours, people waste a lot of time gossiping, doing their personal work, using official vehicles for personal use. All this contributes to national wastage. There is another example here. A few days after a road is constructed, other government departments like water supply, sewerage, telephone department become active to dig the roads, for laying their pipes or cables, thus wasting national resources. This is just one small example. Needless to say that this goes on all over the country. India will be one of the progressive nations of the world if we as citizens become more responsible. Jai Hind.